Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add phone number to Discord. So first of all, you have to log into your account and click on start verification. Click here and select here your country and enter here your phone number and click on send, and you have to solve the Recaptcha. And you'll get a 6-digit verification code to your phone number. All you have to do is just enter the code here, enter here your account password, confirm, and here we can see I've successfully added my phone number to my Discord. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.